So over here you can see that I have an image, and let's say I want something like a distortion as if I'm looking through a camera lens. In that case, what I can do is I can apply lens filter onto this particular picture. So to do that, I can go around onto filters, and then I can go around onto distort, and over here you can see that apply filter is an option. And once you go around onto apply filter, you can see that it distorts out the image as if you're looking through a lens. And you can go around and decrease this out, as you can see right here, or increase the lens refraction index. So you can see the lens-like structure all around over here, and you can go around and increase this out. You can also go around and keep the original surrounding over here just like this, so that the lens effect is only in the center over here just like this. You can go around over here and choose a background color over here as well. So you can see that this is what you have. You can go around and disable the original surrounding, and then go around and choose around a background color over here as well. So let's just go around and let's say, for example, choose a background color over here just like this, and then you can simply go around and press OK, and that is what you have. Apart from that, you can go around and then let's say, for example, multiply and multiply it out with the original image, or lighten it out over here just like this as well. So that is what you have. So you can go around, keep the original surrounding, and you get this effect, as you can see, just like this. You can go and see the before and after over here as well. If I were to go around onto split view, then you can see that this is what you have, as you can see right here, just like this as well. And then you can work around with the opacity. So if I were to go around and press OK, then this is applied. And this is how you can apply lens filter inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.